Kia ora, my name is Rowan Johanson and I'm one of the directors here at the Education Group. One of our foundational courses, How to be an Effective HOD. This is a course that's come out of 20 years of the Education Group working in schools with HODs and with departments that we think bring really practical elements to support HODs. This course is for aspiring HODs or HODs in their first few years of practice who want to get a really solid foundation about what it is to be really effective in this space and to get the best for students. The feedback that we really get from HODs is that it's a really great chance to connect with other people working in similar areas to you in similar schools and to find out that you're not alone in addressing some of the challenges that we all face. It's about engaging with best practice, but particularly in getting really practical strategies and tools that you can use to take back to your department and see real improvement. HODs will come out with an action plan, with practical strategies and connections and resources that they can refer back to as they go throughout the year. If you'd like to book this course, please go to our website. We'd love to have you as part of the workshop and part of our community.